Hey guys, Michael here, back with another video. You guys wanted to see the private internet access work on more things, so I have the PlayStation 4 and the Xbox One for you today. I haven't tested this out yet, so we'll see if we can get it working. So as you can see, we have a blackout market for the Mariners games because I'm in the Seattle area, and I have opened my private internet access to the information I need, which is the PPTP information, a username and password. This is a cheap service. It costs under $3 a month if you buy 2 years worth of it, which makes it under $70 for 2 years. But the price is a little more expensive as you do shorter term stuff. But if you sign up using my link in the description below, we'll both get a free month out of it. So the router information, I already have the servers that I got from private internet access in here, and you can see I have a Vancouver one that has my username and password in there, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to activate it. Connection enabled. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my PS4. I'm going to exit out of the app. And we shall see if I can access the game I want. Of course, this game hasn't started yet, so all I'll be able to see is that little blackout signifier. You can tell I haven't used my PS4 in a while. Alright. Logging in. Loading. And there is no blackout signifier on there. So I do believe, though I can't test it right now because the game isn't on until 6:40, I do believe that I will be able to watch with the PS4 using this method. So go ahead and get private internet access. The description's below. And I'm just gonna redo this on the Xbox One. Make sure it works there too. So let's take a look. Okay, so it turns out that the Xbox doesn't actually tell you, it doesn't have an icon saying, oh, this is a blackout market. So there's no way to actually show you that it's working or not, because I won't know until a live game actually blocks me out instead of just seeing that icon like the PS4 had. So I think you can assume that it will work just like the PS4 did. And if it doesn't, I will come back here, put up a message saying that the Xbox needs a different method or it won't work. So check back, but the Xbox One is just another computer, just like the PS4, just like your laptop. So there's no reason why it wouldn't work. I'm 95% positive that you will not have an issue using the same method for the Xbox One. But just in case, check back at game time and I will know for sure. Alright. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.